welcome to my puppet show. This is the living room with my luggage, and this is the kitchen, just so you know. So now let's start. No touching the furniture and no touching. Set the door. Where my Cecilia's makeup box. Don't touch. But wait a minute. What's this? Ooh! I'm gonna try this. Well, let's go to the store. 10 trips to the store later. We got the milk. Time to cook. I found something cool! What is it? It's called lipstick! Oh my gosh! Why did you give me lipstick? I used it in my lips! Oh! Whatever, I made some macaroni with the chicken strips! Thank you for watching my puppet show. Thank you. Bye bye.